Come on, go pee pee. You good? You're good. I promise you're good. Yeah. Even though it's raining, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's raining and shit, you'll see it. I mean, I want to get myself wet. My phone wet. My phone's done for. I ain't gonna lie to you. My phone's done for. My phone's done for. Like, for sure. But, booze. Bro, hit the phone. This is girl. Ordering horse. This girl around. Yeah. But, that's it, man. It's fucking rain. It's mad wet outside. Not wet. But I'm cool, y'all. Like I said, man, I get my baby out here a little bit more outside. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can hear myself. I had the AirPods on and shit like that. It be bothering me. Like, hey, daddy. You got me outside and it's wet and shit. But, yeah. Like, what I'm saying, it's like, I always tell myself, like, when I'm do something like that, I mean, you know, not on a bad term. Just, I want to tell her. This last few months, bro, go all in, bro. Right? The last few months of June, bro. The kid got June 12th. Do what you gotta do, bro. Man, especially with your dog and all that shit, that's what matters. I don't want to step in this stuff. Yeah. I'm good. Y'all see it, man. We're one-on-one. Good girl, baby. Shake it off. Shake it off. Daddy went. Girl. Good girl, baby. You wanna go? You still wanna go? I mean, it's pouring down. Sorry. Okay. Y'all stay tuned, man. See y'all. Hey, man. Make sure this June finish off strong, man. June, man. Good. I got text Tatum today. I be ignoring. I don't be knowing because I be doing. It's so cool. I'm gonna do this shit now, so I'm gonna use it in 4 or 5 days.
But I don't sleep enough without you. I don't sleep enough without you.
To a cheat day, but I want to share with you what I do like. Okay, once you have the app, click on the buy one get. Okay, now take the egg from your extra egg. Now you have a double egg.
People just be doing stuff, but I got the cute one. Look at her get going, baby. This is bad for y'all. She peed. You read that one right there. The one is good. Okay. Well, I want to tell you it's raining out there. It's wetty. I don't care outside too. And she hate being wet. She don't like being wet, bro. She hates it, bro. But yeah, you gotta see it, man. I mean, it's pouring down there. It's like raining, bro. Yeah, chop up. I'm good on y'all. Stay tuned, man. Look at the KYG. We just got in the house, y'all. They got ski masks on. He got glasses on. Ski mask with glasses on. That's garbage. They got ski on. Oh, good job. You got ski.
Yo, head gonna be wet. It's already pouring right now.
Why he only went doing the fucking job? Cause they probably want to go outside. Still got 3 of them in that fucking truck. I saw them. 3 of them motherfuckers. Why didn't you hit the switch? You gotta clear. I'm probably gonna do it out. Damn. You gotta walk me playing. Yeah, we trying to decide what we want to do. You feel me? You gotta decide. Like I said, when I said she did good. Where's the one work at? Oh, I'm about to say. Tripping. It's not spring, but it's lagging because it's raining. All Wi-Fi. It's gonna start raining at 9 o'clock. The park's so good, though. I can get. Yo, you wanna go? It's raining, though. That's it real quick. Walking towards, it's a back way you can, it's a shortcut that you can get to McDonald's fast.